Hello everyone, I have taken that plane surface. Now I will use the eraser tool over it to generate the new design shapes as well. And here I will make the selection on that side. So we will use some different colors there. Change the color here. I will made it black. Now we will use the paint tool over that area. Can also change the style of the layer.